Welcome! In front of me is a Realme Note 50, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my display. From there, once the content is visible on your screen, all you need to do is hold power button and volume down at the same time. You get the pop-up with share and edit options visible, and after a moment it will disappear. There we go. Once it does so, you can find your screenshot in your Photos application, so I'll open that up right now. There we go. And from here we're going to navigate to a library and screenshots. And in here obviously you'll find screenshots and also screen recordings. And here's the screenshot that I have just captured. So there we go. Now, there's a little info that I'll give you. You might not be always able to capture a screenshot on your device, so there are certain applications that have the ability to block any kind of screen pinning features like screenshots and screen recordings. And one of those applications would be the dogshit Netflix that comes pre-installed with this device. And if you try to do it, it gives you some kind of like pop-up at the bottom letting you know that you can't. And that's basically all you will get. Either that or it will capture a screenshot and it's going to be fully blocked. This is something that applications can use for security, but that security quotation is for you, not for the application, which begs the question why an application can do that when it's your device. And for instance, when it comes down to Netflix, it already does it even though you haven't logged in. Therefore, you didn't even have the chance to agree or disagree to the terms of service. Therefore, I would argue that this is kind of a breach of our privacy when an application can do whatever it wants on your device just because it's pre-installed and you disagreed with the terms of service and whatever. So yeah, in any case, if you ever find this kind of behavior that you can't capture a screenshot or it just gives you a black screenshot, this is kind of normal for some applications. But with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.